Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe below and like and comment.
How about that one? So once you did, you take the blue bottle. Yeah. So like this. Yeah. This one's not bad. Alright.
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna speak so loud. Don't mind me. This is just our pop-up spot. I know it's a little small. We're gonna be opening up in 4 months next to Jenny's at the Design Center. So this is just our pop-up location.
Oh, this one.
Yes, this is black flow. Yep. Let me show you. It's just the lighting. Yeah, it's just the lighting.
Which one smells good?
That's the one that lady got. She was like stuck on there.
Which one?
That one. This one smells good. That one. And that's the one she was talking about. You used to that one.
It smells like what?
I think I have to go with this one because I got the vanilla. I like that one. Yeah, I like this whiskey. It's something about it.
What does it smell like?
Right here.
And the tobacco smells like tobacco.
You're fine. I'm just trying to help. Did you try this one yet?
I really like the wild fig cedar and the mint leaf.
Oh, so you're more. So the pumpkin is a holiday one, so I would suggest if you really do like it, maybe you do that because we'll always have those, but we won't always have that one. I love it.
Okay, but I also buy a lot of
That
fireworks.
I
And
mean,
it smells like something I already have.
Okay, so let's go with something that is so unique. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there. So you guys, I'm gonna give you your vessel name, your green glow, your white glow. Just write that there at the very end of the class. So go ahead and put your straw in your tray and place your attention to our scale. You'll just keep going back and forth until you get that desired weight. We're almost done, guys. You guys are about to graduate. Come on, I know this is exciting. Senioritis is kicking in. Grab your, oh, we're waiting on one more.
Oh yeah.
Grab your bracket. Okay.
If they still have it, they might be like, well, they might miss it.
watching, and stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, leah.perry, and Snapchat, lover and friend.